Here are the top 8 health benefits of drinking ginger tea daily. Reason 1. Alleviates nausea and vomiting. Ginger's efficacy in combating nausea, whether due to travel sickness, chemotherapy, or pregnancy, is remarkable. Compounds like gingerol act soothingly on the digestive system, providing much-needed relief. Reason 2. Promotes digestive health. For centuries, ginger has been a go-to remedy for digestive disturbances. It stimulates enzymes, enhances gastrointestinal motility, and eases indigestion symptoms, making it a natural alternative for maintaining digestive health. Reason 3. Combats inflammation and infections. Ginger's anti-inflammatory effects, courtesy of gingerol, make it a powerful ally against conditions like arthritis, osteoarthritis, and various autoimmune disorders. Its antimicrobial elements also bolster the immune response. Traditional medicinal practices in various cultures have long recognized ginger as a remedy for a wide range of ailments, from digestive issues to respiratory conditions. Reason 4. Alleviates muscle and joint discomfort. Studies suggest that regular ginger intake can lessen muscle pain associated with physical activity and chronic conditions like fibromyalgia, thanks to its analgesic and anti-inflammatory qualities. Reason 5. Relieves menstrual cramps. Ginger may considerably diminish the severity of pain linked to menstrual cramps, offering relief comparable to traditional pain relievers. Its muscle relaxant properties make it beneficial for other pain-related conditions, including migraines. Reason 6. Promotes satiety and blood sugar regulation. Research highlights ginger's potential in controlling blood sugar, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing blood glucose levels. It may enhance satiety, making it a valuable ally in weight management. Reason 7. Prevents cardiovascular diseases. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to cardiovascular health by promoting balanced blood pressure and supporting heart function. Reason 8. Enhances memory. Ginger's potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities may offer protective benefits for brain health, potentially enhancing cognitive abilities, especially for middle-aged women. Before you rush to add ginger to everything, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and risks. While ginger is generally safe, excessive intake can lead to gastrointestinal issues. Individuals with specific health conditions should exercise caution. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's an ancient secret worth discovering. Whether in the kitchen or as a supplement, ginger offers a myriad of health benefits backed by both modern science and ancient traditions. Remember, moderation is key. If you found the wonders of ginger as fascinating as I did, be sure to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're already picturing yourself savoring a warm cup of ginger tea, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button for more enriching content on wellness. As we conclude, I'm eager to hear from you. Have you experimented with incorporating ginger into your daily regimen? How do you prefer to enjoy it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Always remember, the path to better health is paved with consistent small changes. So, until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and continue to add a touch of spice to your life. See you in the next video here.